Dutters. Yeah, you've been caught. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Brittany, that's Bows, and my channel name is pronounced Bratterstein. Today's video, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, is going to be a fun one and like a perfectly conveniently timed one, because I don't know if you saw my last video or my BoxyCharm video where I talked about my eyelid problem that I thought was improving. Well, it turns out it's not improving, so I still can't wear makeup. So this particular video could not have come at a better time, because I need obviously to put up weekly content, but when I can't put on makeup, say hello to Dutters everyone, but when I cannot put on makeup, it's a little bit difficult. So anyway, all of that is to say that this week's video is going to be my winter FabFitFun unboxing. Look at the size of this thing. Is it normally this big? I don't know, but like look at this. It is the size of my entire life, my entire head, bigger than my wallet / bank account. It's just very big this month, this season rather, and I'm excited to get into it. I love FabFitFun, if you did not know. For those of you who do not know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription service, much like BoxyCharm, if you're familiar with that, where instead of monthly, it is seasonally, winter, spring, summer, fall. This is the winter one, hence all like the pretty snow on the packaging. And it's, I believe, $50 4 times a year. It comes with lifestyle, beauty, all that jazz, all the things that us ladies tend to like. And me being a lady, I tend to like it. If you are not already signed up and interested, it'll all be linked down below, but I suspect if you're here, it's because you are signed up and you are interested in seeing spoilers. So that's what this video is going to be. It's basically a spoiler review of a box. And I think it's time to just go ahead and get into this video and show you what's inside my box. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. If you would like to hang out with me and Bows and maybe Dutters if he comes back and watch me open my FabFitFun box for the winter season, just keep on watching. Okay, as you see, she's still taped up. I have not gotten into this at all, and to be honest, I have forgotten the items that I chose, because you get to customize a couple things with FabFitFun. I can't remember anything, so let's go ahead and bust into it and see, because I'm very excited to get into this. Bows, are you excited? Are you excited? Doesn't he look so excited? Obviously. Okay, this thing is so big. That's what she said. Okay, so first what I'm seeing here is the magazine, which I'm going to keep and put to the side. I don't typically tend to read through these that much, but they let you know the products that are in it, ways that you can use it, pricing, which I'm going to use it for reference on the pricing of the items that I have in here, as well as if they are partnering with anybody on the box, things like that are all in here. So any information you want, you can get in the magazine. I just tend not to. Okay, now we get to break the beautiful stickum. Break the stickum. Yes, 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 yes. There's all the stuff inside. Okay, already things are looking pretty good. Let me search through here and find some prices for you. Give me a second. Okay, the first item in this box retails for $20, and it is the pink makeup eraser. I have heard of these, but I've never used them. It's just like a cloth that's made out of the type of fiber that when you get it wet, you can just take it off without any type of makeup remover, and then you just wash it after. I have always been interested to try one, but to be honest, I never imagined that they could actually work, because to me that just sounds like madness. But with that said, I am trying to use less, leave less of a carbon footprint, as everyone says. I'm sorry, I hate all the things that people say, but I am trying to use less. I've switched to like makeup removing balm, so I don't use as many wipes. So this could be a great thing if you just have to like get it wet, wipe it off, and then put it in the washer. Right? How many uses do you get, I wonder? I don't know. Let me know down below if you've used this before. And let me know if you find it to work well. I am going to try it out. I am really excited to try it out, and it could be awesome. It says that it works on mascara and everything, which is a bold statement. So I'm going to keep this little piece of paper so I can watch it. That's it right there, and it retails for $20. $20. Okay, the next thing in the box is from a brand that I really enjoy. It retails for $16, and it is the Ahava Dead Sea Salt Natural Dead Sea Salt Bath Salt. I don't think that even came out right. I don't think that's even what this says, but these are bath salts from the brand Ahava. I am a big fan of their lotion. I have been a fan of a lot of the stuff that I've gotten from them in the past. I don't, however, have a bathtub, unfortunately. I'd love to. Not in that tax bracket for, you know, a full-on tub experience. But best thing about this kind of box is this would be a great gift for my grandma. with Christmas coming right around the corner, I'm gonna re-gift this to my grandma because she has like a nice deep soaker tub and she would love that, especially because like they say salt helps with muscles, you know, and she's an older lady and she's always sore, so I'm gonna re-gift that to my grandma, and it retails for $16, which is a great deal. So that's what I tend to do if there's things in boxes, subscription services that I won't use, I re-gift them. I'm already paying for them, so then I just give them to other people who I think would enjoy them more than me. Just same with things that aren't cruelty-free, because I only use cruelty-free products. If they're not cruelty-free, I gift them on, and that's how I do it. For your information. Moving on. Okay, the next thing in the box retails for $39, and it's from the brand Adore. The pamphlet just says that it's a bracelet made with Swarovski crystals. Is that how you say that word? Swarovski? I don't wear jewelry very often, but it is a really cute little bracelet. Let me go ahead and try her on and see. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. It's just a little circle and a bracelet that has little clamps right here, and $39 is a lot. So if you are a jewelry person, I know that people are a fan of like small dainty jewelry like this. This is like the most common thing people are looking for. So this could be a really nice thing to get in the box if little dainty jewelry is up your alley. And for $39, I personally would never pay $39 for this tiny little bracelet, but I know people do. So this could be a cool thing to get in the box if you like jewelry, which I'm sure a lot of you do. Okay, the next thing in the box retails for $39.95, and it's from the brand Susio. It says it's the Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. So it is just a wash. I would probably leave this on the counter because it's like the right size. One second. Hey Dudders, could we maybe not? This is the right size for like a hand soap. Putting it in the shower, I feel like I would go through it too quickly. It says it's made with lavender oil, so let's go ahead and give it a smell. It smells good. It smells very spa-like, which I am a fan of. And it's a pretty expensive like hand wash, $40. I don't know. I'm like a Bath and Body Works hand soap type of girl. If I'm gonna go expensive, that's the route I go. But it could be nice to try, and I'm really happy to have it, considering I would never personally buy that. But it is also cruelty free, so I will be putting that in my bathroom and feeling like a spa ass bitch. That's what I'll be doing. Sorry if my energy is low. I had my Friendsgiving last night, and I was up till like 1 a.m. drinking. And then slept on a couch, which means I didn't really sleep because I'm a 31-year-old lady, and sleeping on a couch is no longer satisfying like it used to be. And then woke up at 6:30 with the little baby, so I didn't get a lot of sleep. I'm very tired, so I'm sorry if my energy is low. If you are new here, I promise I'm usually a bit more peppy, but I'm tired. I'm tired, and I don't bounce back like I used to. The next item could not have come at a better time in my life. You. Thank you. Hello. Hi. Who are you? Let's tell everybody. Introduce yourself. So this retails for $23, and this is from Drybar. It's their Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler, but I was just reading the back, and it's something that you put on your hair, and it protects your hair from heat as well. And I don't know if you knew, but I had been on a natural hair journey the last year, so I haven't been putting heat on my hair, but I recently started, and I haven't been using heat protecting because I was out, and I was telling Chris, my husband, that I needed to go and buy a new one. Now I don't have to because I got one right here. This always happens to me. I get fortunate in the things that I need. Oh my God, Dudders, you are on camera, bud. Oh my God, you're so cute. This always happens to me where I need something and then I end up getting it in a subscription box. So this is perfect timing. Oh, I hope the Drybar is cruelty free. Leaping Bunny on the back. I find that a lot of their stuff is cruelty free from FabFitFun and also BoxyCharm. So I'm really, really excited right now. Great timing. Thanks so much. All right, we're down to our last couple things. And the next thing is a makeup item, which you know I'm excited about because you know I primarily do makeup on this channel because that's my shit. And this is from the brand Beauty Bakery. It's the Proof is in the Puddin' eyeshadow palette. How cute is this? This retails for $38, and let's go ahead and look at it. I've been wanting to try Beauty Bakery and I haven't gotten a chance yet, so this is perfect timing. Let's see her. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? I was hoping it smelled. It doesn't. This is a really cute palette. I think the colors are cute. I don't know how I feel. Like, I'll use this definitely, and I want to keep it because I want to test it. But I feel like I have all of these shades personally. Like, I have a big eyeshadow collection, so it's not like speaking to me in an exciting way. I'm interested in trying the formula, but it might be something that I re-gift because I have like all of these shades. There are 4 shimmers, and I don't tend to use shimmer, but it is pretty exciting, and I do want to try Beauty Bakery. So I do still want to try this, and I think it is a good thing to include in a subscription service because more people are going to want neutrals than like a colorful palette, so I see why they did that. just for me, I have so many that it's not like overly exciting, but I think it makes sense for what it is, and I'm still excited to try it. Make sense? I hope that makes sense. I'm not shading Beauty Bakery. I'm just saying, like, I have a lot of neutrals, but I get why FabFitFun would put neutrals, because like most people want neutrals. Yeah. Dudders. Yeah. You've been caught. So that's what's happening over there. Let's move on to the last two items that are the big ones that I'm really excited about because I can see what they are. And I remember these customizations now, and let me tell you, I'm about to use both of them together on my couch for the rest of the day. Okay? Wait. Okay, the next thing in the box retails for $45. It's from the brand PJ Salvage, and it's just a pair of faux fur lined frickin' slippers. Oh my god. I'm at such a place in my life where I'm so much more interested in functionality and comfort over fashion. I guess that comes with being a 31-year-old lady, but oh my goodness. So when I saw that I could choose a pair of slippers, I chose a pair of slippers. So I'm gonna put my feet in there, and I'm gonna just be warm and be toasty, and I'm gonna take these to my grandma's on Thanksgiving, and I'm gonna wear them around her house, and I'm gonna have a great old time with that. And $45 is kind of a lot for slippers, so I would never personally buy these ones myself. So I'm really, really happy to have gotten them. And look at the outside, looks like little sweaters. I just love cozy shit. What can I say? This is great. Thank you. I'm gonna put these things on my feet right now. Okay, and the last item is probably what I'm most excited for, okay? Oh my god. This retails for $65. It's the big one, okay? It has the cutest name I think I've ever heard. The name of this product is Unhide Little Marshmallow. You heard that right. Unhide Little Marshmallow. And it is a faux fur blanket. And my god, it is so soft. Let me just rip into this bitch right now and show you. Just wait. It is so soft. Let me have it, please. I am gonna lose my mind. Give me my blanket, please. Is this triggering anyone to watch me open it with such in such a ridiculous fashion? So I gotta be honest, if I was watching anyone else open this way, it would be just making me uncomfortable. But like, I need it, and it's not giving it to me. Oh my god. Okay, and now I'm going to unroll it, and oh, it's quite large. Oh, this thing is exactly as soft as it feels like it's gonna be. Oh, and it's soft on the inside too. Okay, well, goodbye. I'm gonna try to back up so I can show you. Oh my god, I look so tragic. I'm gonna try to back up so I can show you how big this thing is. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try. This blanket takes up the whole screen. Can you tell? It's so big. It's so freaking soft. This is luxe as fuck. I was gonna be like $65 for a blanket. Who do you think you are, and who do I think I am? But now I'm like, I want it. I want it all over me all the time, and now I can because it belongs to me. Okay guys, so that completes this video. These are all the items I got in my FabFitFun. I will put the amount right here of the total retail price, but I know it was high as hell because we paid $50 and this lovely blanket alone was $65, so I know it was super high. I just don't have my calculator right now to calculate it for you, but it was approximately this many dollars, which is a lot of dollars considering you pay $50. And even if you just wanted one or two of these items, it would basically be the price of the box, and then you would get all this other stuff for free. So that's how I rationalize these subscription services. And I'm happy right now, okay? I don't know if you could tell, but like, I am happy right now. If you liked this video or anything about it, or just me while watching it, give it a like if you would like, so I'd like to know what you like. And of course, smash that subscribe button. Become part of the Brat Pack. We put out new videos every week, and usually I'm much cuter than this. But my eyelids are falling off, so there's not much I can do about that. Sorry, but please come back. I'd love to have you here. And if you'd like to follow me on my other social media, Instagram and Twitter are both Bratterstein. If you'd like to watch my journey to lose 100 pounds, that would be Fatterstein. I'm at like 75 pounds now. Maybe like 65 after this tragic week of eating. I'm not sure. But anyways, guys, that completes this video. Thank you for hanging out with me when you could be anywhere else in the world, and I hope to see you in my next video. Okay.